welcome to my channel. As you can see, it's foggy. This is St. Paul, Minnesota. Hopefully you're doing well, you're taking care of yourself. And if this is the first time for you to visit, give us a like, subscribe, support the work, and come back and watch the playlist. There's a brand new street here. Nice and smooth. If this is the first time for you to visit, we appreciate you. You can come back and watch the playlist. You can leave a comment, but be kind. We don't like hateful comments. Foggy day. This is St. Paul, Minnesota. You can see utility people for lights are still here, finishing the streets. In particular, the lights have not been turned on yet, so they're still doing some work. Again, this is St. Paul, Minnesota. They have a Chinese restaurant right here. It's been there for a long time, and a tiny small gas station. This coffee shop here has been closed close to 10 years now. Oh, it's open finally. That took a long time. It has been closed since COVID, but now I just saw a sign saying open. They have an outdoor zone here, and they have McDonald's right next to it, right there, and a car wash. That's McDonald's. This car lot seemed to have closed. They sell cars. Gas station, Holiday. Some apartments. They're showing you around. That Popeye used to be KFC, but they closed probably 10 years ago. They have a nightclub there. It's called Blues Salon. There's a thrift store over there. I used to go there once in a while just to look around and do some videos. I might go there soon. They have a strip mall here. They have a tiny pharmacy over there. That Stetzer has been open for a long time, maybe 30 years. They have a Pawn America. You can't see because it's foggy. Caribou Coffee. If you're a coffee drinker, I don't, because I believe their coffee is overpriced, and the farmers in Africa and other countries who grow coffee don't get much money. There's a strip mall here. They have a KFC. No, Burger King over there. I'm gonna go over here, do a little shopping. Take it easy, come back and watch the playlist. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.